No bullshit, let's talk straightforward. I found this new niche that's going viral on TikTok and Instagram. First, let's check out an example video.
Which is the most corrupt city in the United States? Most Americans don't know that the city considered the least corrupt in the U.S. is Burlington, Vermont. So which is the most corrupt city in the United States? Fifth place, Miami, Florida. Miami faces about 15 corruption convictions per year, mainly linked to real estate and its strategic position as a trade hub for Latin America.
Now, look at this account on TikTok that's making thousands of dollars monthly. Similarly, there is another page doing the same and making thousands. Not only from TikTok, but there's also a secret method of earning that I'll reveal at the end of this video. As you know, the TikTok creativity program is not available in every country. Additionally, meeting the criteria for the creativity program, which requires 10,000 followers and 100,000 views, is not everyone's cup of tea. But no need to worry. I found a website where you can get a ready-made TikTok monetized account. Just upload your content and start making money. The link to this site is in the description. You can check it out. Now, let's move on to the video. First, we need a script. For this, I'll use ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and ask it to come up with trending topics related to different countries and regions. I used a prompt to generate 10 video ideas for this niche. Now, let's pick a topic and create a video script. For this example, I'm choosing the topic, the smallest country in the world. I'll use ChatGPT to create a short and engaging script for it. Once the script is ready, you can read it and rewrite it in your own words instead of using the AI-generated version directly. Next, I'll use 11 Labs to create a voiceover for the script. You can choose any voice that fits your niche. Just make sure the voice is clear and easy to understand. After that, we need some visuals. The most important thing is a world map view. For this, I'll use Google Earth Studio. Go to the website and sign up. Once signed in, you can create videos like the ones shown in their examples. For this video, I'll use a zoom-in shot from outer space to the smallest country in the world. Search for the location, adjust the duration, I'll use 5 seconds, and render the video. Then download it. Next, visit a free website called FreePic to download the flag images for the country or region, in this case, Vatican City. For editing, we'll need icons and some images. I use flaticon.com for this. You can download various icon styles for your videos there. Now that you have all the resources, it's time to create the video. I'll show you how to make a map animation using CapCut. First, open CapCut and choose the ratio to 9:16. Now drag the map video first, which we downloaded earlier from Google Earth Studio. Trim the first globe part by using the Trip button. Adjust its size according to video ratio. Then place the flag at above the video. Adjust its duration, and then select the both clips. Right-click on it and click on this. Create Compound Clip button. By this, they will merge into one clip. Now click on this animation option and select the Rotate animation. After that, we need to add text, but first select this clip and click on this freeze button. After doing this, our clip freeze for a while so we can add text upon it. Now click on Add Text and type 110 acres. Now choose the font style and size, and choose the color and add glow effect on it. After that, go to this animation option and choose pop-up animation, and it's done. Now we need an animated circle. There are a lot of options to make this circle, but I will do it the easiest one. For this, click on the Add Text button and type dashes multiple times. Now scroll down below and click to this curve option. Increase its value so it will look like a circle like this. Now add some effects on it, and then choose the typewriter animation, so it will behave like an animated circle. Now add the small flag in the center of this circle. And choose the animation style. Now add text again and write the name of country. Apply the same steps like font style and animation, and then move to next step. Now copy this text and paste it here. Click on Edit, and then type smallest country. Choose its animation to typewriter and decrease its duration. Finally, our map is ready. Click to Export button and save it to your computer. Now open CapCut again, selecting the 9:16 ratio for a short video. Once your project is set up, import all the voiceovers, map animations, and stock videos you've downloaded. First, add the voiceovers to the timeline. Then, place the animation videos you created into the appropriate spots. After that, fill the remaining parts of the timeline with suitable stock videos. Make sure the stock videos match the theme and flow of your content. Next, it's time to add captions. Go to the text section and use the Auto Caption feature to generate captions for the video. You can customize the caption style, font, and color to match your preferences. To make the captions more engaging, add a text animation. Go to the Animations menu, select the Caption option, and pick an animation that looks good with your video. Finally, add background music to complete your video. Once that's done, your video is ready. Click on Export button to export the video.
Did you know that there is a city in Rome with an area of 110 acres? Welcome to Vatican City, the smallest country in the world. This tiny state is smaller than Central Park in New York City. With fewer than 800 residents, most of whom are clergy or Swiss guards, Vatican City is ruled by the Pope, making it the world's last absolute monarchy. Located in the heart of Rome, Vatican City is not just a country, it's the spiritual and administrative center of the Roman Catholic Church. Its history dates back to 1929, when the Lateran Treaty established Vatican City as an independent state, ending years of disputes between the popes and the Italian government.
Now, let's talk about the secret method we discussed earlier. Once your TikTok account starts gaining reach, you can add affiliate links to your bio. You can also mention these links in your videos and encourage your audience to buy the products. This way, you'll earn a commission. The second method is sponsorship. Once your account reaches a large audience, brands will start contacting you to promote their products. They will pay you a good amount for doing that. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel.